has to be done is I have to establish a reference point for the, in fact, for the whole frame, but this thing will go into jigs, and the jigs are going to touch this thing in a couple of points. They have to touch the thing in a couple of points in order to be able to hold it firm. So I need this cut to where it's going to be in its final form. And the way I decided to do that was to do the ends first. And I figured if the ends are cut right, then if the jig blocks go against those ends, then I'll be able to reproduce these long curve cuts, which are a bit more challenging to get straight at first. I don't know if I'm being clear about that, but it's with something that's still, I mean, I would call this still rough cut. I mean, I've drawn a line on here, but I don't know as I could actually cut to that line and make a very good job of it if I were just cutting it with a, a handheld saw.
Because what you have is, this is one half of the two that need to join, and so they're joining at the apex.
They're overlapping at the apex and
okay.
joining.
Yeah.
That's a less critical joint.
And then this is
down here, the angle, the actual angle of
right.
this is pretty critical.
Because that has to go on to the base.
Because it sits over that base.
Right.
It has to meet that base.
Yeah.
The only place it can meet it.
Right. Okay.
So I made myself a couple of, I must admit, not very physically attractive jigs to do this. The cutting of those ends with, but at least it'll allow me to get something better than if I were just to try to, say, cut them with a handsaw or something.